Ahmed is trying to write a proof for quadrilaterals. So we got a couple different situations here. The first one, how could he prove opposite sides are parallel? Well, if you think about that one, you would need to find the slope of the opposite sides. And in order for them to be parallel, you would have to show that they have the same slope. All right, let's look at the next one. How could he prove consecutive sides are perpendicular? Well, again, we're going to have to find the slope of the consecutive sides. And in order to show that they're perpendicular, they would have to be opposite reciprocals. In other words, you would have to change the sign and flip it. And then the last one, how could he, prove all sides are the same length? Well, now we're talking about length, and to get length, you would use the distance formula to show that they all have the same length. So if you want to show that things are parallel or perpendicular, you have to use the slope. If you want to show that they have the same length, you would have to use the distance formula. When you're writing a proof, you cannot say, they look the same, so I think they are. You have to prove it using mathematics. So you would have to use these formulas to prove it with math.